My name is Darien Pruitt. I just graduated from NMSU, and I'm starting out as a lab technician in the Plant and Environmental Sciences department. I got interested in my career at a very young age with my grandmother. She taught me how to garden. She really showed me what it was to grow plants in our traditional garden at my house. So that's how I started. My typical day as a lab tech is going into the lab fairly early, get a good start on the day. I'll be creating agar plates and plating microorganisms to understand their relationships and their competitive nature with each other, so we can evaluate those in plant species in the field. Microorganisms are microscopic organisms that we can't see with the human eye. And generally they have huge impacts on what occurs in plant health and typical plant growth. So that's what we look at. The impact we primarily want to make when we're looking at these type of things is with our growers, the growers of these plants that actually serve communities. As far as like we grow chilies and vegetables, we want to make sure those products are as healthy as they possibly can be for our communities. And so that's what we look at. And as far as the microorganisms go, make sure those aren't hurting the plants, so we have good food. My advice would be to make sure you explore every realm. As a student in middle school, I tried to like every subject I possibly could, but I focused on my science classes because those really drew me in. It was hands-on and ready to go. So I think for middle schoolers, you guys just need to keep trucking along with the schooling and decide, just take your time with your decision, because it will make a difference at the end of the day. My field now has shifted towards a huge diversity of individuals. I live in southern New Mexico. We have a great Hispanic culture in the south with chili growers and everything like that. And I think we can incorporate diversity by reaching out to all sorts of growers across the area, so we can really get involved with how they're growing their plants and what we can do as scientists to help them improve their experience. So I think we just gotta reach out and get out to the community and really do some outreach.